How to log in to CoinEx application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are logging into your CoinEx account, then it is quick and simple. Whether you are using an Android or iOS, the steps are almost the same. First of all, launch open the CoinEx application on your smartphone and make sure that you tap on the login/sign up button from the top. Now you'll end up in this login page where you need to enter your mobile number or email in the first field. On the next field, type in your correct password for your account and finally click login. If you don't remember your password, then go to the bottom of the screen and you'll see the forgot password link. Simply tap on it to reset your password. Finally, after entering your credential, click login and then complete this small puzzle. Now on the next page, you need to enter the verification code sent to you via your email. Go check your email inbox for the email that you've just entered or the email that is associated with CoinEx and click open the email from CoinEx. Copy the code inside it by holding on the code and clicking on copy. Get back to the CoinEx app and paste in the code in the text box. So right after you do that, you will be able to sign into your CoinEx account. So that's how you easily log into CoinEx. It is straightforward once your details are ready. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.